Hello. So this is how to submit orders round two. Um, this is the second way that you, as a 31 consultant, can submit orders, and this is your home office. And I have a video that does a nice walkthrough of what home office is and all the tools and things like that. So it's super good. But what I'm going to focus on tonight is going over the second way that you can submit orders, which is through your back office. So how you're going to do that is you're going to go and click virtual office, and that is going to take you to another portion of your 31 office. And it'll just take a minute. My internet connection is slow. Okay, so here we have um, your back office is what I call it, or home office, whatever you guys want to refer to it as. I interchange it a lot. I don't know why, but so what you'll do is you'll go here and you will go to parties if you have a party link open, which I highly suggest you always have a party open, no matter if it's for you, you know, or if it's for Betty, Sam, Jordan, Julie, Julian, anyone. Make sure that all your parties are under here, obviously, and up to date, because you always want to make sure that your orders that you're receiving, that they go under a party so that you or the hostess can earn hostess rewards. So, um, but if for whatever reason you don't want to, you can always submit orders right here. I always put it under a party, so I'm going to click here. And I actually have a order to submit under my friend's party. So my friend Jane has a party going on right now. And with our outlet sale, I've gotten a lot of interaction. And her friend is wanting to order a Wheels Up roller. So what you're going to do next, and this is obviously what the party section looks like, in your back office. You're going to go ahead and hit orders. These are all the orders that we have received so far for this party. We hit new order, and then I will be putting her info in. This is for Tammy, which for some reason, a lot of times it will populate, and it is. So Tammy Boggs, and it populates her information, address, number, all that good stuff. And it's saying what type of order is this. It's a party order, and it's going under Jane's summer home refresh. Excuse me. So we're going to hit save and continue, and we're going to move on there. And like I said, Tammy is wanting to order that Wheels Up roller. And this is what it's going to look like as of now when you're placing the order through your back office. It's a little different on your website, versus your back office, but that's okay. So what you can do is, oh my gosh, random side note though, I saw this bag like so much at conference this year. I'm actually going to get one. Like, I saw it everywhere. It was like the most popular bag. It was so cute. Anyway, side note over. We're going to go ahead and hit sale, and this will pop up all of the sales that we have going on. We've got online extras, our celebration, which is where this lovely lady wants to order this Wheels Up roller, which still tons of items. Like, that's a really good deal too. Like, I normally prefer gray, but like, seriously, 29 bucks for a duffel bag, that's like not bad. Sorry, I get distracted really easily, so I apologize in the future about that. Okay, so where is this Wheels Up roller? I may have to just search it, because you can search it up here. I think it is the Wheels Up roller, unless they're all gone. Oh, no, they're not. Okay, good. They had a black and white one, and they have like a navy and light blue one, which I wonder if they sold out of the black one. No, they did not. So cool. So this is what my friend wants. She wants this Wheels Up roller in Fab Flourish, the lovely print that we had last season. I added it. And then she also advised me that she unfortunately does not want the customer special, which really bums me out. But if you guys didn't know, A lot of times, if I have customers that don't want the monthly special and it's during an outlet sale, I will always submit this order so that the customer gets this item, but I will go and offer the extra special in my VIP group. And you can call 31 immediately and let them know and say, hey, I have a customer, or I have somebody else who wants to claim this monthly special under Tammy's party, or excuse me, under Tammy's order, for example. So like, let's say when I submit this order, I go on my VIP page and I'm like, hey, guess what? I have an extra special. Who wants it? And someone will claim it. And then I just call 31 and I tell them, hey guys, I had an extra special that was claimed. And they will go ahead and manually add that. So that's pretty cool that they do that. I actually have a customer, I just submitted her order and it was 2 specials. And then I have this one right here. So far, 3. I have 3. So yeah, what we're going to do next, we're going to begin checkout. And like I said, this is under a party. This is under Jane Ritchie's party. So right now it's auto, I can't think of the word. It's like, it's defaulting. There we go. It's defaulting to shipping to the hostess, which when it says shipping to hostess, that means that the order will not be closed out until Jane closes out her hostess order. So what you want to do here is you want to click the direct ship option. It's not going to close out Jane's party. Jane's party is still going to be open. It's just going to submit Tammy's order so that she doesn't miss out on the outlet sales. So it's going to direct ship to Tammy. It's still under Jane's party and all that good stuff. See, there's customer name, Tammy Boggs, order type party. It says it's under Jane Ritchie. So Tammy had a credit that she claimed with me a while ago. So I'm actually going to show you how you can find those real quick because I actually need to apply this as one of my payment methods. And this is literally all you do. So you go to reports, little side note for you, manage gift certificates. And I'm going to have to do a broad range because I actually have, I think like 3 or 4. I think I've got, I want to say 3. It's taken me a minute. I feel like the website is getting bogged down again. Oh, pardon me, guys. I'm like super tired. Hold on, it's taken a minute. The site has been, for the most part, pretty good, but other times it's been pretty slow. Let me just exit out of this and try again. I'm going to go back to Virtual Office. Okay, go to Reports, Manage Gift Certificates. It is still getting stuck there. Come on. There we go. Sorry about this, guys. It's just being slow. Okay, so I'm actually going to go back like a while ago. Back when I first started. I know, I'm like super funny. I just like to give myself a broad range so that I pull everything up and I don't miss it. It's going to take a minute. Okay, so I have I have 4. Nice. I don't know where that one came from. Oh, wait, no, it says 0. Okay, so back on track. Sorry, I'm like losing my train of thought. These are all of the gift certificates that I have. And then I am actually short one. Interesting. Oh, no, I'm not. They gave me 2 different ones. Duh. Sorry about that. The last representative that I worked with on this issue, she gave me a $35 credit, but she broke it up into 2 separate gift certificates, and I don't quite know why. Anywho, so this is the gift certificate number. I'm actually going to have to put in 2 because Tammy is getting $35 credit. So I'm going to go over here, back to Tammy's order, and I'm going to do new payment. Select payment option. You can do gift certificate, new guest credit card. So we're going to do gift certificate. And then I'm going to put that in. Save payment. So she owes 20. There we go. Oh, wait, what is it? There we go. Mother of pearl. So now I'm going to go back to the other one. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to click the $15 one because this is what Tammy is going. Sorry, I keep jumping around. So this is what Tammy, because she's got that $35 credit. So we're going to do that. And then I'm going to input that. We're going to go ahead and hit save payment. It's going to drop the total a little bit more. So she owes only 15 bucks after it's all said and done. Well, $15.49 after tax and shipping. So I am going to take a snapshot of this real quick so that I can give that to Tammy. So all the gift certificates are applied for this order, and then the leftover amount is going to go on a card, which you will go ahead and put new guest credit card in. Then you'll put in all of your info for your card, put the L Beals, and then, you'll put card number, expiration, what you want to apply towards it, and the zip code. And then once that is done, you will go ahead and hit submit order. And then that will submit Tammy's order, but it will not close out the party. So don't worry if you think you're going to cause the party to close out, you will not. The only way that you're going to be able to close out the party is when you are under the hostess rewards, submitting the hostess reward order, which we're not doing that here. Here we are submitting a direct ship order to Tammy Boggs so that she gets her outlet sale items. So I hope this helps. And if you guys have any other questions, just let me know. Good night.